Inflammation is a natural and necessary response by the body's immune system to fight off infections and repair damaged tissues. However, chronic inflammation can be harmful and has been linked to various health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and autoimmune diseases. One way to manage chronic inflammation is by being mindful of what we eat. In this video, we'll explore the top 20 inflammatory foods that you should consider limiting or avoiding in your diet for better overall health. Sugary beverages. Sugar-sweetened beverages like soda, energy drinks, and some fruit juices are loaded with added sugars that can lead to inflammation when consumed in excess. Opt for water, herbal teas, or homemade fruit-infused water instead. Refined sugar. Excessive consumption of refined sugars, found in candies, pastries, and many processed foods, can lead to chronic inflammation. Try to reduce your intake of these sugary treats and opt for healthier alternatives. Trans fats. Partially hydrogenated oils, a source of trans fats, are commonly found in fried foods, margarine, and many packaged snacks. Trans fats are known to promote inflammation and increase the risk of heart disease. Fried foods. Deep-fried foods like French fries and fried chicken are often cooked in unhealthy oils, which can trigger inflammation. Choose grilled, baked, or steamed options instead. Processed meats. Processed meats such as sausages, hot dogs, and bacon contain additives, preservatives, and high levels of saturated fats that can contribute to inflammation and increase the risk of chronic diseases. Red meat. While lean cuts of red meat can be a part of a balanced diet, excessive consumption, especially of processed or fatty cuts, has been associated with increased inflammation. Limit your red meat intake and choose lean options. Highly processed foods. Many packaged and processed foods contain additives, preservatives, and artificial ingredients that can promote inflammation. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Margarine. Margarine often contains trans fats and unhealthy vegetable oils, which can lead to inflammation. Use olive oil or avocado as a healthier alternative for spreading on bread or cooking. Artificial sweeteners. Some artificial sweeteners, while calorie-free, may disrupt the balance of gut bacteria and trigger inflammation in some individuals. Be cautious when using artificial sweeteners and consider natural alternatives like stevia or honey. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to inflammation, especially in the liver. Moderation is key when it comes to alcohol consumption for overall health. White bread. Highly processed white bread lacks fiber and nutrients, which can contribute to inflammation. Choose whole grain options for better nutrition. Excessive salt. High sodium diets can lead to inflammation and contribute to conditions like hypertension. Limit your salt intake and use herbs and spices for flavoring instead. Vegetable oils high in omega-6 fats. Certain vegetable oils like soybean, corn, and sunflower oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which, when consumed in excess, can promote inflammation. Opt for oils with a better balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, such as olive oil or flaxseed oil. Processed snack foods. Chips, crackers, and other processed snack foods are often high in unhealthy fats and sodium, making them a pro-inflammatory choice. Consider healthier snacks like nuts, seeds, or whole fruits. Fast food. Fast food is typically high in trans fats, refined sugars, and sodium, all of which can contribute to inflammation. Limit your consumption of fast food for better health. Dairy products. Some individuals may be sensitive to dairy products, experiencing inflammation or digestive issues. Consider dairy alternatives like almond or oat milk if you suspect dairy may be contributing to your inflammation. Canned soups. Many canned soups contain high levels of sodium and artificial additives, which can promote inflammation. Opt for homemade soups made from fresh ingredients or choose low-sodium options. Highly processed breakfast cereals. Some breakfast cereals are packed with sugar and artificial additives. Look for cereals with minimal added sugar and whole grains. Commercial salad dressings. Many store-bought salad dressings contain unhealthy oils and added sugars. Make your own dressings using olive oil and vinegar for a healthier option. Processed cheese. Processed cheese products like cheese spreads and cheese slices often contain additives and high levels of sodium. Choose natural cheese varieties in moderation. Reducing inflammation in your body can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. By avoiding or limiting these top 20 inflammatory foods, you can take a proactive step toward better health. Remember that moderation and balance are key, and it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian if you have specific dietary concerns or health conditions. A balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods is generally the best approach to support your body's natural anti-inflammatory processes and promote long-term health.